Hello and welcome in Tony Tech Industrial Automation Tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn how to publish data from WinCC OA to Cloud Broker using MQTT Protocol. Let's quickly create a WinCC OA test project. Now run the project. After run in first step we will add MQTT driver into the project. So, from append driver section we will add one MQTT driver. For testing purpose we will assign number 2 to this driver. Now driver has started. Just open the graphics editor for the further configuration. In System Configuration, open MQTT driver setting and create a new connection. You can choose any name for this connection. Open HiveMQ website, which is actually a cloud broker. Copy broker URL and port number. Paste same URL and port number into MQTT connection in WinCC OA. Select type as unsecure. Now select on established connection and click on apply button. You will see a green signal with text connected. That means WinCC OA driver is connected through Cloud Broker. Now create some tag for testing purpose. Insert power config for periphery address. In address section select MQTT client. Select driver number as per the driver number assigned in console for MQTT driver. Provide some topic name. This topic name can be anything. Select transformation as JSON profile value. Now activate the address. On HiveMQ website click on Try MQTT browser client. Click on Connect. Now click on Add New Topic Subscription. Write the same topic name which has been provided in tags. Select QoS 0 because same QoS was selected in tags. Now click on Subscribe. In this way we have subscribed the topic on Cloud Broker, and using same topic we are going to publish the data from WinCC OA. Now change the value in WinCC OA tag. You will see same value as published on Cloud Broker. Thank you for watching this tutorial.